Yo guys, I done told y'all about a couple of months ago. It is a totally different era when it comes to sneakers in general. Not just Jordan specifically. We talking about Adidas, New Balance, Asics. Well, probably not Asics, New Balance so much, but majority Nike sneakers that do not get the love like it once did. And now you're starting to see even early sneakers sitting in a Nike outlet. Bro, that is so crazy. We got a lot to talk about in today's video, including the Legend Blue 11s and how them things might be hitting outlets very soon as well. So let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. Like I said in the intro, we got a lot to talk about when it comes to, well, more particularly one sneaker. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, bro, do your boy a solid and leave a huge like on today's video. Every like counts, every comment counts. You guys know I love reading you guys' comments, responding to you guys, interacting with y'all. That's what I'm here for. If you guys can do me a favor, man, run them likes up, bro. Them likes, we gotta get them likes up. The likes count. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. It helps me, you know what I'm saying, get pushed across everybody else's platform. You know what I'm saying? Let your boy The Vintage get a little love with that like button. And it's the day before Thanksgiving, so it's the time of giving, man. All right, so like I said in the intro, bruh, I was scrolling on Instagram, I was scrolling on Twitter just to verify what I seen on Instagram, because Twitter tells it all, or X, whatever you want to call it. It tells it all, especially when it comes to the sneaker community. You will find out some of the most bizarre things, the craziest things, including, of course, the bullet inside of the Air Jordan 3 black cement box, and on top of the quality control issues. You will see all of that on Twitter. It's unrated, it's rated R. But if you want to go indulge in some of the sneaker Twitter, sneaker X type vibes, head over to X/Twitter so you can see all this crazy stuff. You can see what I'm talking about, including shop, drop, restocks, all type of stuff, especially if you are in like a Discord or two, you know what I'm saying? You see all types of stuff. But I was scrolling and I seen one of the craziest things, like I said, something sitting in the sneaker outlets that is not even released yet. They pushed the release date back for what reason, I don't know. I think it's because there's so many releases in this November, December time frame. They say, you know what, let's push it to 2025. And that sneaker is the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. And I told you guys in the beginning of the year, I said I'm not really feeling them. It seems like the general consensus, the general community and state community are not feeling these things as well. Have not even released yet, bro. These have not released yet, and they are in Nike outlets. I'm gonna roll some B-roll, roll some clips, just so y'all know I ain't BSing, you know what I'm saying? This is really happening. I'm really making this video to help you guys out to go check your Nike outlets, because you guys know I wasn't a huge fan of these, but of course I gotta make content. People say, you know what? If you don't want them, don't buy them. But of course we gotta do the content. But the people are going crazy, dagging me in the comments saying, yo, it's the Rare Air Black Toes. This is one of the original black toe colors with the Air Jordan on the side. So if y'all still loving them, y'all still going crazy for them, go call up, go check up on your Nike outlets before it is too late. I think that pair was in Florida, and I'm pretty sure there are some in Chicago for sure. Chicago is flooded with almost everything. And like I said about the Legend 11s, the way them pairs are moving on the shop drop, that shoe definitely might sit for a while, probably even longer than the Gratitude set. So that kind of shows you a little something. And the Gratitude didn't even sit for long, but there was still a couple days where, like, I would think people would give more love to it because it is a DMP looking sneaker. They just changed up a couple things and named the, Gratitudes. But that is what it is. But back to these, what I'm saying, Air Jordan 1 Black Toes, the Reimagines. I still am not a huge fan of them. I'm just being honest. I'm not a huge fan of them. I do think the touch of the signature on the inside collar is pretty neat, but what throws it all away is that Air Jordan. And I swear, bro, I don't know if it's just me, but my pair has some very stiff leather, and I'm not too crazy about leather quality or anything like that, but it already came creased up. That could be because they got pulled out of a Nike box or something like that. Somebody threw them around, a UPS or something like that, but it came with a super huge crease. And I haven't seen many pairs floating around. Have not seen a lot of people talking about the black toe Air Jordan Reimagined, but the huge buzz around these was that it got pushed back to 2025. But why are these already in the Nike outlet? So I need you guys to do me a favor. I need everybody to do me a favor and either call up your Nike outlets or head up to your Nike outlets and see if they have any black toe reimagine Air Jordan 1 sitting. And I'm sure it's gonna be some Fear 4s. It's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, some olive noms probably splattered around in a couple different Nike outlets and sitting in stores and stuff like that. But I need to know what is going on with these black toes. Why are they sitting already? I did see the resale was very, very low. And we do not usually see a low resale for a sneaker that has not released yet, especially 2-3 months before the drop. These are already going for the low, and the early pairs, I feel like they're already out there. But if you check GOAT, if you check, you know, any other app, you might see your price and your size for the low ski as well. So you ain't gotta really bank on a Nike outlet. It's definitely gonna be an Air Jordan 1 that sits. But what's really crazy is, right, they could have had these perfect. They could have had the black toes perfect. All they had to do was throw in the Wings logo. The box presentation is crazy. The box is better than the sneaker. I've been saying that. The box is literally better than the sneaker. You got Michael Jordan with the red Air, the black toes with the Air Jordan on the side. I really think that's dope, bro. They could have had the picture on here and just gave us the regular Wings logo, but it is what it is. It's reimagined. They want to switch it up. But just like the Royal Reimagined, nobody was feeling them. Probably one of the craziest flops. This might be next in line for one of the biggest flops in Nike's history. And when I talk about flops, I'm talking about in terms of likability, the wearability, the way people are advocating for the sneaker, the way people, you know, show the love. You guys know about the hype before the drop. Nobody seems to be hyped no more. What happened to all the energy? It seemed like everybody energy shifted, but we don't need that. Keep y'all energy the same. I said y'all love them, so go ahead, hit up y'all Nike outlets and see if they have these things sitting in your areas. So you guys are all aware of the shock drop that happened for these Legend Blue 11s. I'm super shocked on how many pairs they did drop and how many W's we seen on these guys. I was shocked, bro, but that only shows you that, you know, these might be the next sitters, bro. These might be in Nike outlets. I don't remember the last time, bro. I don't remember the last time I seen a Jordan 11 in terms of, you know, classic colorways, OG colorways, sitting in Nike outlets. I think it was some B-grade Bred 11s, but that was a while back. But like nothing too crazy in terms of, you know, 11 sitting. But it seemed like they are flooding the market with these Legend Blue guys. I love them, had to have them, and we hit on that shot drop for that size 9.5. So if you guys do need a size 10, man, hit me up over on Instagram, letting these things go for retail 2 weeks before the release date, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Check out Nike LS. Please comment down below. Let me know how your search went for these black toes. One more little quick 360. But again, man, I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and leave a huge like on today's video, especially if this helps you out. I'm trying to help everybody out, especially, like I said, still for Thanksgiving. So I gotta drop some gems and help y'all out, man. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. All that's been said, man. Your boy, The Vintage. Want to catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.